Wolves, the ultimate symbol of wilderness, mystery, and the untamed spirit of nature. These apex predators, known for their intelligence, complex social structures, and unrivaled teamwork, have captivated human imagination for centuries. In today's video, we'll be delving deep into the world of wolves, exploring their behavior, their role in ecosystems, and what makes them such remarkable animals. Join us on this journey as we uncover the life of one of nature's most iconic predators. Wolves belong to the family Canidae, and their scientific name is Canis lupus. There are around 38 subspecies of wolves, including the well-known grey wolf, the red wolf, the Arctic wolf, and the Ethiopian wolf. These subspecies differ in size, colour, and habitat, but they all share common traits that make them incredibly successful predators. Wolves can be found in a wide range of habitats, from the Arctic tundra to forests, grasslands, and even deserts. Once widespread throughout North America, Europe, and Asia, their numbers have dwindled due to habitat destruction and human conflict, but they're making a comeback thanks to conservation efforts. Wolves are built for survival. The average adult grey wolf can weigh between 30 and 80 kilograms, or 70 to 175 pounds, depending on the subspecies and habitat. The largest wolves can grow up to 6 feet long from nose to tail and stand about 2.5 to 3 feet tall at the shoulder. Wolves are built for endurance rather than speed. They can run at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour in short bursts, but their true strength lies in their ability to cover long distances, up to 30 miles a day in search of food. Wolves have powerful jaws and sharp teeth, capable of exerting a bite force of up to 1,500 pounds per square inch, which is among the strongest of all canines. This allows them to take down large prey like deer, moose, and bison. One of the most fascinating aspects of wolves is their social structure. Wolves live in packs, which are essentially close-knit family groups that typically consist of 6 to 10 members. However, some packs can be as small as 2 or as large as 20 wolves. At the heart of the pack is the alpha pair, one male and one female who lead the pack. These two wolves are usually the only ones in the pack to breed, and they maintain their position through strength, leadership, and cooperation. Contrary to the common belief of alpha wolves constantly fighting for dominance, leadership in wolf packs is usually maintained through respect and loyalty. Each member of the pack plays an important role. Beta wolves help enforce the rules of the pack and assist the alpha pair, while omega wolves often play the role of peacemakers, helping to diffuse tension within the group. Every wolf knows its place, and the social hierarchy is key to the pack's success. Wolves are known for their haunting, spine-tingling howls, which they use as a form of long-distance communication, but wolves communicate in many other ways as well, including body language, scent marking, and vocalizations like barks, growls, and whines. Howling serves several purposes. Wolves howl to mark their territory, to communicate with pack members who may be miles away, and to coordinate during hunts. Each wolf has a unique howl, and they can even harmonize with each other to make it sound like there are more wolves in the pack than there actually are. Scent marking is another critical form of communication. Wolves have scent glands between their toes and on their bodies, and they regularly mark their territory with urine and feces. This lets other wolves know the boundaries of their pack's territory. The bond between wolves is most evident in how they raise their pups. After a gestation period of about 63 days, the alpha female gives birth to a litter of 4 to 6 pups in a den. The pups are born blind and helpless, relying entirely on their mother and the pack for protection and nourishment. During the first few weeks, the alpha female remains with the pups in the den while the rest of the pack brings her food. As the pups grow, they start to explore outside the den, learning essential skills through play and observation. All members of the pack contribute to raising the pups, from feeding them regurgitated food to protecting them from danger. By the time the pups are 6 months old, they begin to join the pack on hunts, learning firsthand the skills they'll need to survive. For centuries, wolves have been persecuted by humans. They were hunted almost to extinction in many parts of the world due to fears that they preyed on livestock and posed a threat to humans. However, these fears are largely exaggerated. Today, wolves are protected in many regions, but they still face significant threats, including habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. In areas where wolf populations have rebounded, conflicts with ranchers and farmers over livestock predation remain a challenge. Conservation efforts, including reintroduction programs like the successful return of wolves to Yellowstone National Park, have helped restore balance to ecosystems where wolves had been eradicated. Wolves play a crucial role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. As apex predators, they help control the populations of large herbivores like deer and elk, preventing overgrazing and promoting biodiversity. Wolves have long had a complicated relationship with humans. In many cultures, they are revered as symbols of strength, loyalty, and wilderness, but in others, they are feared as dangerous predators. Wolves have been featured in folklore, myths, and even fairy tales as both heroes and villains. Despite their fearsome reputation, wolves rarely pose a threat to humans. In fact, there are very few recorded cases of healthy wild wolves attacking humans. Instead, wolves tend to avoid human contact whenever possible. However, the presence of wolves in certain areas can create tensions with local communities, particularly those who rely on livestock for their livelihood. This is why effective conservation efforts must also include measures to mitigate human-wolf conflict, such as compensation programs for farmers and the use of non-lethal deterrents. Wolves are more than just fearsome predators. They are intelligent, social, and vital to the ecosystems they inhabit. From their complex pack dynamics to their role as apex predators, wolves demonstrate remarkable adaptability and survival skills. As their populations slowly recover in parts of the world, it's important to remember that wolves are not our enemies. By understanding their behaviors, respecting their space, and finding ways to coexist, we can help protect these incredible animals and the wild places they call home. Thank you for watching. If you found this video interesting, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. What animal would you like to learn about next? Let us know in the comments below.